Hey, this is Mr. H. This is question 23 from the June 2024 Regents exam. 33% of you got it right. And even though I would love it to be higher, I'm happy about this because in the past, we've struggled with these questions and it was usually down around 10 or 11%, right? So, excuse me, the fact that we got up to 33%, I'm happy with that. So I'm going to show you, these questions are usually pretty simple if you understand what you're trying to do here. So it says, Wade Van Niekerk, he ran 400 meters in 43.03 seconds to set a world record. So he ran 400 meters in 43 seconds. But now they want to take the calculations and convert it from metric to the US standard, miles per hour. So here is what you need to be able to do. So we start with meters per second, because that's how you find it. But when we get done, we want the conversion to be in miles, MI for miles per hour, right? So now, so basically when we get done, we should have two units left, and miles should be on the top and hours should be on the bottom. Now, so all you got to do is go through each one of these answer choices until you get miles per hour. So, okay, if we look at the first one, we have a miles and the miles on the top and an hours on the top, right? We have we have meters and hours, and then we have seconds, miles, and seconds. So that is not going to end well. So let me, I'm going to move this a little bit out of the way just to show you. We can't cancel anything out on this. So when we get done, it's going to be meters squared times hours on the top, and it's going to be seconds squared times miles on the bottom. That's not this. So that means this is not the answer. So let's go to the second one. I'll use a different color. Now, any unit that you see on the top in the numerator and on the bottom in the denominators, you can cancel out. So we have a meter right here. We also have a meter down here, so we can cancel them. There's nothing else to cancel. We can't cancel anything else. So what we're going to have is we're going to have miles times hours over seconds squared, because there's a second here and a second there. When we multiply them, it's going to be seconds squared. So this is not the answer. So now let's go to the next one. I'll use black. So we have a meters here. We have a meters here. We have a second down here. We also have a second up here. There's nothing else left to cancel. But what are we left with? We're left with, on the top, MI for miles, and on the bottom, HR for hours. So this is our answer. Boom, done. Now let's go ahead and look at the last one. This one has 2 meters on the top. So this would be meters squared times seconds. Oh no, the seconds cancel out. The seconds actually cancel out. So we got second, but there's nothing else to cancel out. So then we're going to have miles times hours on the bottom. And that's not what we're looking for either. So that's it. That's how you do those. They usually have one of these on the exam, so we got to get them.